Hello. Today, I'd like to show you a product demonstration using the API features of Midas Gen NX. We'll be performing rapid modeling and analysis and reviewing the results. Let's enter the command to quickly create a 10-story, 2-building apartment complex. Click Run, and request that the analysis be performed immediately. You can see that Gen NX quickly models the structure based on our request and runs the analysis. The web interface and the program are communicating quickly through the API provided by Midas. You can also view the analysis results quickly. The relevant information is neatly organized in Gen NX's work tree, and you can modify and update it at any time via the dialog box if needed. Now, since I'm curious about the maximum displacement, I'll go ahead and request that data. Clicking on the keywords summarized below quickly provides a summary of the model's status. Finally, I'll perform a factory reset to restore the device to its original state. You can find more information about the API on the official Midas IT website. Thank you.